Hey everyone, I'm struggling to find comprehensive, up-to-date tutorials for Niagara VFX in UE 5.6? Then you're not alone. Real-time visual evolve fast and outdated resource can seriously slow down your process. Hello everyone, I'm PerfectManus and on this channel we dive deep into 3D and 3D related stuff. My goal is simple, to create the tutorials and courses I wish existed. Clear, practical, and completely free for anyone who wants to learn. If there's something you cannot find online, there's chances are that I'm already working on it for you. That's exactly why we are launching a brand new series right here on Perfect Manus YouTube channel. We are diving deep into Niagara VFX in Unreal Engine 5.6, focusing on professional, practical, and progressive learning. Whether you are just starting your journey into real-time VFX, building your intermediate skill, or an advanced user looking to master the latest UE 5.6 features and optimization techniques, this course is designed for you. We'll cover everything from emitter and module fundamentals to advanced simulation stages, custom data interfaces, and performance best practices. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe and like this video. It generally helps the channel grow and keeps me motivated to create more content for you. And don't forget to comment below for any questions, doubt, or just appreciation. I read them all. Alright, let's begin.